problem. A number consists of two digits whose product is 18. If 27 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Find the number. We have to find the two-digit number. Solution given. Let the two-digit number be. Let the two-digit number be xy. Smallest two-digit number how much? 10. Largest two-digit number how much? 99. Between 10 and 99, which number we don't know, we have to find now. Now next what they told? Product of these two product of this two-digit number is 18 they told. So the meaning of this is xy is equal to 18. X into y. What is the meaning of xy? X into y. So here I am doing y is equal to 18 by x. If you want to keep dot multiplication x into y, or otherwise if you want to write x into y, because they told product now, x into y. Write clearly. The product of two-digit number is 18. Next, if 27 is added to the number, to which number? To this number. Now, two-digit number expanded form of this two-digit number. Two-digit number. We know expanded form in our lower classes we have learned. Y is in ones place, x is in tens place. So we can expanded form. We can write as 10 into x, because x is in tens place. Y into 1 we can write as 10x plus y. This is expanded form of this two-digit number. Ones place, tens place. If you want to write y star multiplied with 10, y star multiplied with, you will have, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, ones place, tens place. Keep in mind. Now 27 is added to this number. When 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange. So now do that one also. Interchanging digits. Interchanging this two-digit number. You know interchange, you know? Ones place will go to tens place. Tens place digit will come to ones place. That is called interchange. So interchanging these two digits number is equal to yx. This also you write expanded form. Expanded form. Now I won't explain because now we understood. 10y plus x. Why? Now x is in ones place and y is in tens place. Now according to the problem condition, they have given if means condition. 27 is added to the number. The digits interchange their places. Now according to the condition given, according to the condition given, or according to the problem, you can write whatever may be if they give a condition. 27 is added. 27 added to the number. What is the number? 10x plus y. Expanded form you take is equal to interchange digits 10y plus x. And we know that one. We have changed. The product of these two digits is 18 and y is equal to 18 by x. This you replace now in the place of y. So 27 plus 10x plus 18 by x is equal to 10 into 18 by x plus x. Now simplify. Here x is LCM. Now 27x plus 10x square plus 18 is equal to 180 by x plus x. Simplify. This is right in order. 10x square plus 27x plus 18 by x is equal to, here also LCM, x is LCM, 180 plus x square. Now denominator get cancelled. What remaining means? What 10x square plus 27x plus 18 minus, because plus coming from that side, plus comes this side, minus, and plus coming from that right side to left side, minus, is equal to 0. Now simplify and write. 10x square minus x square is 9x square plus 27x minus 180 plus 18 means minus 162 is equal to 0. 9 table is common. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 9 ones are 9, 7 remaining, 9 eights are 72, 0. Now we got quadratic equation shape. When we multiply, minus 18 should come. When we simplify, plus 3 should come. 6 minus 3 is here 6 into minus 3. In such a way, we have to take factors for 18. Both it should satisfy. Now apply. X finding factors is one thing. Applying signs is another thing. Keep in mind. So x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. From the first two terms you can take x common, x plus 6. From the next two terms you can take minus and 3 also common. So x plus 6. What comes in the first bracket as it is, in that no doubt at all. So on the whole x plus 6 is common and remaining is x minus 3, that is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0 or both 0. Now x is equal to plus 6 goes that side from left to right, minus 6, and here minus 3 goes from left to right, becomes plus 3. So we got one negative number, we got one positive. Take positive. What we thought? Let 2-digit number, what we thought? Let 2 digits number be number is equal to xy we thought. X how much we got? 3 we got. We have to find y. Now first find y. Afterwards you can write this digit. Now we got x. Take x is equal to 3 you take. Now y is equal to 18 by x. 18 by 3. 3 goes 6 times. So y we got as 6. Now therefore the 2-digit number is, therefore the 2-digit number xy is equal to 3, 6, 36. So 36 is the number we got. 13th problem. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction is 10. If 1 is subtracted from both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 2 by 21. Find the fraction. We don't know the fraction. We have to find the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y. We don't know, no? X by y. Now they told sum of the numerator and denominator. How much? Sum of the numerator and denominator is 10. The meaning is numerator is x, denominator is y, that is equal to 10. Implies y is equal to 10 minus x. Plus x goes from left to right, minus x. Therefore, the fraction is equal to numerator as it is x by y, no? X by y, numerator as it is x you keep, denominator 10 minus x you write. So, the whole equation will come in x. Y will be disappearing. Y means another alphabet, this is another variable. Now, up to here we came. Now, 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. If condition here, if 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, denominator, the fraction is decreased by 2 by 21. The fraction is, we will write, first we will subtract. What is that one? 1 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, that is equal to x minus 1 by 10 minus x minus 1, that is equal to x minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus x. So this is the 1 is subtracted, the fraction changes to like this, x minus 1 by 9 minus x. Now according to the problem, they have given a condition. If 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, we did, the fraction is decreased by 2 by 21. What answer we got when we subtracted? X minus 1 by 9 minus x we got. This is the fraction when 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator is equal to the fraction. What is the fraction we thought? X by 10 minus x. This is the fraction. What we thought. Able to follow? Is decreased means minus. Is increased means plus. Decreased by 2 by 21. This much meaning is there. You have to be careful. So the condition you have to read once or twice or thrice also, no problem. Because you are reading rice, read thrice. Nothing will happen. Now, variables one side, constants other side. X minus 1 by 9 minus x, plus coming from left, right to left is minus x by 10 minus x is equal to minus 2 by 21. Constant, numbers one side. Now, here LCM. What is the LCM? 9 minus x into 10 minus x. 9 minus x how many times goes means 10 minus x times. So x minus 1 into 10 minus x. Here minus is there, minus. This minus is for both. 10 minus x how many times goes? 9 minus x times it goes. So be careful. It's equal to minus 2 by 21. Now multiply carefully. Multiplication you have to be careful. X into 10. Draw a first line so that easy. Now x into 10 is 10x. Plus into minus is minus. X square. Minus into plus is minus. 110 is 10. Minus into minus is plus. 1x is x. Minus into plus is minus. X into 9 is 9x. Minus into minus is plus. X square. X square. Are you able to follow? Now denominator, come to denominator. 9 tens are 90. Plus into minus, minus 9x. 9 into x, 9x. Write 9 properly, clearly. 9x. Minus into plus, minus. X into 10, 10x. Minus into minus, plus. X into x, x square is equal to minus 2 by 21. Don't forget this one. Are you able to follow? Now simplify slowly. Be careful and first minus x square plus x square get cancelled. 10x plus x is 11x. 11 minus 9x is 2x. 2x. And here minus 10 is there. No more constant. So minus 10 divided by, here only one x square is there. So x square minus 9 minus 10 is minus 19. Minus 9x minus 10x. Like terms. Minus 19x. And plus 90 constant is equal to minus 2 by 21. Now do cross multiplication, or otherwise you can take 2 table common and you can cancel. Still more easy. Take 2 table common in numerator. X minus 5 by x square minus 19x plus 90 is equal to minus 2 by 21. This 2 goes into one time because is equal to is there. So now you cross multiply. 21 into x minus 5 is equal to minus 1 into x square minus 19x plus 90. 21x minus 105. 21 5s are 105. With minus 1 you minus x square plus 19x minus 90. Bring everything to one side. X square now everything bring to left side and arrange in a quadratic equation shape. Minus x square comes from right to left is plus x square plus 21x minus 19x minus 105 plus 90 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now factors for minus 15, and when you simplify plus 2 should come. So in such a way 5 minus 3, 5 into minus 3. So you can do easily. Now x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. From the first two take x common. X plus 5 minus 3 you are taking common. Again x plus 5. What comes in the first bracket as it is comes in the second bracket. In first term and second term, x plus 5 is common and remaining is x minus 3. So, x plus 5 into x minus 3. When it will be is equal to 0? Either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 3. Always we take positive than negative. Fraction they told no. Now we thought fraction. Now we got x as how much we got? Now simple we have to write fraction. X we are taking as 3. X is equal to 3. Y we thought as 10 minus x. 10 minus 3. That is equal to 7. Therefore, they told to find the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is x by y is equal to 3 by 7. That is the answer. Fourteenth problem. 2 years ago, a man's age was 3 times the square of his son. Square of his son's age. In 3 years' time, his age will be, this is age, will be 4 times his son's age. Find the present ages. Solution. Given. What is given means 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Let son's age be x and father's age they gave 3 times the square. Father's age is equal to 3x square. Son's age is x and father's age is 3x square. Now, present how much? Present age. Present age of son and father. Present ages of son and father. So, now at present, son's age will be, son's age is equal to x plus 2 and father's age will be 3x square plus 2. Are you able to follow? Now at present, that is ago. Now at present, afterwards what? In 3 years time, here they are given a condition. In 3 years time, in 3 years time, his age, his means father's age will be 4 times, will be 4 times. This is all condition. According to this condition, 4 times his son's age. His son's age. Each and everything we have to read and write carefully. Now father's age. Father's age how much? 3x square. In 3 years. So father's age is 3x square plus 2 plus 3. In 3 years. So plus 3 added. Will be is equal to 4 times the son's age. 4 times son's age. X plus 2. Once again. In 3 years time, here also we have to add because in son also is there now. This is already to x present age plus 3. Be careful. Now simplify because In 3 years time, the father's age will be 4 times the son's age. Can you follow? Without seeing, I have read this given condition. What we have written, what they gave condition, we have written in numbers. And with these numbers, we can read that statement. So, 3x square plus 5 is equal to 4 into x plus 5. Simplify. 3x square plus 5 is equal to 4x plus 20. You can multiply. I'm not explaining. You are in class 10th by this time. Now arrange in quadratic equation shape. 3x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 20 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. For which number we have to find factors? Is it minus 15? No. 3 is there. 3 into minus 15 is minus 45. When we simplify, minus 4 should come. In such a way, the factors are minus 9 into 5, minus 9 plus 5. We know the factors of 45. So, 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. 3x we can take common. X minus 3. Here plus 5 we can take common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. First term, second term, x minus 3 is common. And remaining is 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. When it will be 0? Either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or 3x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 3. Now we got take positive. So here plus meant that side minus. Don't forget signs. Signs are very important. Now they are asking what? Percentage. Therefore x is equal to 3. Take x is equal, therefore x is equal to 3. Now they are asking to find present ages. Present ages. What is the son's present age? Son's present age is equal to x plus 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 years. And what we thought father's, this is son's age. Now we are finding father's age. Father's age what? 3x square plus 2. 3 into 3 square plus 2. 27 plus 2, that is equal to 29 years. So son's age is 5 years and father's age is 29 years. Write clearly. Finding x is one thing and finding present ages. These are the present ages of son and father.